How to navigate your course page for students. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Interact with the course content. 2. Navigate the course content. 3. Interact with course elements. And 4. Use the course navigation. Let's start from the My Courses page. Click on the course title or image to open the course page. On your course page, you will see the course title, the course navigation, and the course content. You will also see two tabs placed in the top right and top left corners of the page. Now, let's look at the course content. Activities and resources are listed with a title and icon for their type. Activities are grouped into sections, which you can identify by the drop-down arrow button located to the left of the section title. You can click on the drop-down arrow button to expand or collapse the section. Click on an activity title to open it. The activity page will vary depending on the type of activity. At the top left of the page, above the activity title, is the path to the current page, which is called the breadcrumb trail. You can step back to the section page that the activity is in by clicking on the section title and the breadcrumb trail. You can also click on the section title back on the course page to open the section page. The page displays only activities and resources within that section. You can return to the course page by clicking the course's short name in the breadcrumb trail at the top left of the page. Commonly, the first section of the course page is used to welcome you to the course. At the top right of the page, click the tab with the left-pointing chevron icon to open the block drawer that contains blocks specific to the course page. This may include blocks such as the latest announcements block, the completion progress block, the activities block, the upcoming events block, and the course resources block. To close the block drawer, click on the X icon in the top right corner. At the top left of the page, click on the tab with the bullet list icon to open the course index. It is an ordered list of all the sections and activities on the page for quicker navigation. You can click on a section or activity title to open it on the page. Activities with completion conditions will be represented by a circle to the left of the title. The circle will not be filled for conditions that are not done, and will be filled with green when they are done. Activities without completion conditions will have no circle. To close the course index, click on the X icon in the top left corner. At the top of the course page is the course navigation. This allows you to open other pages within the course. The current page is highlighted in green. The participant page contains all users enrolled in the course. The grades page contains your grade report. The activities page provides you with a list of all activities sorted into sections by their type. Simply click on the expand button for a section to reveal a list of all activities belonging to that type. There may also be a badges page if the course has any achievable badges. On this page, you will see the available badges and the criteria to acquire them. Now you can interact with the course content, navigate the course content, interact with course elements, and use the course navigation.